IT Demo Live webinar today is all about IT exams. Welcome to join us today. The video is for sharing study materials. Please let me know which exam you want to pass in 2025. What is your target exam? Comment to let me know. 2025 will be an incredible year. We're so excited to embrace it. And also, we need to get some certificates to upskill ourselves. Whether you are here to explore new identification opportunities, gain insights into the latest industry trends, or simply enhance your skills, you've come to the right place. So today's session is packed with valuable content, expert demos, and interactive discussions to help you achieve your target goals. Without further ado, let's get ready to learn more about CompTIA, AWS, dive into the most exciting world of the identifications and the career advancement. Let's get started and make your IT exam journey a little easier in 2025. In today's lecture, I will walk you through the top hottest IT certifications in 2025. They are 1. CompTIA Security, plus 2. AWS. They also will boost your IT career in 2025. Follow me and we will do some practice tests for this exam together. This is a very good opportunity for you to learn to better know about the exam and pass it on the first try. Moving on, let's do a practice test together. We come to the quiz part. So, for each question, I will give you guys 30 seconds to think and make choice. When you finish, please type the answer out. Let's look at question 1. Which of the following threat actors is the most likely to use large financial resources to attack critical systems located in other countries? 4 options here. Please type the answer out when you finish. All right, time's up. Let's see the correct answer. Correct answer should be C, nation-state. Nation-state actors often have significant financial resources, advanced technical capabilities, and the backing of a government. This enables them to launch sophisticated and well-resourced attacks against critical infrastructure and assistance in other countries. So question 1, correct answer is C. Question 2. Which of the following should a security administrator adhere when setting up a new set of firewall rules? So, 30 seconds thinking time. When you finish, please type the answer out to let me know. All right, time's up here finishing. Let me check out the answers. Please type the answer out. Hurry up, I'll review the answer now. Correct answer should be D, change management procedure. Implementing new firewall rules is a significant change to the network security infrastructure. Adhering to change management procedures ensures these changes are made systematically, reducing the risk of errors and enhancing the security posture. Moving on, question 3. Which of the following enables the use of an input field to run commands that can be viewed or manipulate data? Please type your answer out when you finish. When you finish, all right, time's up here. Finish it. I revealed the answer. The correct answer should be the SQL injection. Very detailed explanation here. I've given you guys several seconds to check it. When you finish reading the explanation, please let me know, and I will move on. Question 4. The company is expanding a threat surface program and allowing individuals to security test the company's internet-facing application. The company will compensate researchers based on the vulnerabilities discovered. Which of the following best describes the program the company is setting up? 4 options here, 30 seconds thinking time. So when you finish, please type the answer out. All right, time's up. Time to review the answer. Have you finished it? So let's see together. Correct answer should be B, bug bounty. A bug bounty program incentivizes external security researchers to find and report vulnerabilities in the company's applications or systems. Researchers are compensated based on their severity and impact of the vulnerabilities they uncovered, helping the company to improve its security posture by leveraging a wide range of expertise. Moving on, let's look at question 5. Employees in the Research and Development Business Unit receive extensive training to ensure they understand how to best protect company data. Which of the following is the type of data these employees are most likely to use in day-to-day work activities? So question 5, let's set a 30-second timer. When you finish, please have yourself ready. All right, time's up, guys. Have you finished? I will review the correct answer now. So for question 5, let's go check out together. The correct answer should be B, intellectual property. Employees in R&D are typically involved in creating, developing, and improving products, technologies, or processes. The data they handle often includes sensitive and proprietary information, so option B is chosen. Moving on, AWS certificate. AWS, how many of you want to pass the AWS exam? Comment and let me know. So this credential helps organizations identify and deliver talent with critical skills for implementing cloud initiatives. Any AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associates validate stability to design and implement distributed systems on AWS. Let's move on to look at the SAA-C03, that is the Solution Architect Associate level. Let's do some quiz for the SAA-C03 exam. Question 1. A company wants a shopping application that uses Amazon, let's say the Amazon DynamoDB, to store customer info. In case of data correction, a solution architect needs to design a solution that meets the recovery point objective of 15 minutes and recovery time objective of 1 hour. What should the solution architect recommend to meet these requirements for options here? Please type your answer when you finish. All right, time's up. Let me review the correct answer for question 1. The correct answer should be B. An explanation here? Please go check it by yourself and read it carefully so you can understand why B is chosen. Moving on, question 2. Still give you guys 30 seconds time, and I'll leave you to read the contest and make a choice by yourself. Do type your answers out when you finish. Feel free to let us know if you have any questions during the whole process. The floor is open. You can feel free to type your answers out in the comment section. All right, time's up. Time's up now. Let's review the correct answer for question 2. Question 2, correct answer should be B. Configure the auto-scaling group to use multiple availability zones. Configure the database as multi-AZ. Configure an Amazon RDS proxy instance for the database. An explanation here: by configuring the auto-scaling group to use multiple availability zones, the application will be able to continue running even if one availability zone goes down. Question 3. A company hosts an application on multiple Amazon EC2 instances. The application processes messages from the Amazon SQ, writes to an Amazon RDS table, and deletes the message from the queue. Occasional duplicate records are found in the RDS table. The SQ does not contain any duplicate messages. What should the solution architect do to ensure messages are being processed only once? So for options here, please type your answers when you finish. Let's review the correct answer for question 3. Question 3, correct answer should be D. Use the Change Message Visibility API core to increase the visibility timeout. Move on to question 4. A company runs a photo processing application that needs to frequently upload and download pictures from Amazon S3 buckets that are located in the same AWS region. A solution architect has noticed an increased cost in data transfer fees and needs to implement solution to reduce these costs. How can the solution architect meet this requirements? Still 30 seconds left. When you finish, please type your answer. All right, time's up. Let's look at the correct answer. The correct answer should be D. Deploy an F3 VPC gateway endpoint into the VPC and attach an endpoint policy that allows access to the F3 bucket. Option B is the correct answer. So moving on, look at question 5. A solution architect is designing a new hybrid architecture to extend a company's own premises infrastructure to AWS. The company requires a highly available connection with consistent low latency to an AWS region. The company needs to minimize cost and is willing to accept slower traffic if the primary connection fails. What should the solution architect do to meet these requirements? I will give you guys some time to read the context and then make a choice by yourself. All right, time's up. Let's review the correct answer. Correct answer should be A. Provision an AWS Direct Connect connection to a region. Provision a VPN connection as a backup if the primary Direct Connect connection fails. Option A is the correct solution to meet the requirements. All right, so that's all for today. Thank you for your time. And also, if you think today's lecture is helpful, please give me a thumbs up. And also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.